let's see how to lock an element in Canva. So, for your information, why people lock elements in Canva, it's because to prevent accidental changes that people might move. For example, like elements, and locking important elements ensures that they stay in place, especially in complex designs. It also maintains layout integrity that ensures that the overall structure remains intact while making changes to other parts of the design. So, here's how you do it. You just have to navigate to your project section and then choose one design and then click it. And then after that, navigate to the page that you wanted to lock your specific element. Like for example, I don't want this one to move. I just wanted this to be stay in place, so I will lock this by clicking this button, which is I click the specific element that I wanted to lock and clicking the lock icon. And then I can also move this because I just lock this specific part of element. This one, this frame. That's how you lock an element in Canva. See you soon.